Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. One of the most common questions people ask is, can a split AC run continuously for 24 hours? Some people believe running an AC all day will burn the compressor, while others think it's completely safe. So, what's the truth? In today's video, I'll explain whether a split AC can safely run for 24 hours, what happens inside the system during continuous operation, and how to do it without damaging your air conditioner. Let's get started. Can a split AC really run for 24 hours? The simple answer is yes. A properly installed and well-maintained split AC is designed to operate for long periods, even 24 hours if necessary. Modern air conditioners are built for continuous operation, especially in places like hospitals, hotels, offices, data centers, and commercial buildings where cooling may be required throughout the day. However, continuous operation is only safe if the AC is in good condition and correctly sized for the room. Does running an AC for 24 hours damage the compressor? Under normal conditions, no. The compressor is designed to run for extended periods. In a strong inverter AC, the compressor does not keep starting and stopping repeatedly. Instead, it automatically adjusts its speed according to the cooling demand, reducing wear and improving energy efficiency. In a strong non-inverter AC, the compressor cycles on and off as the thermostat reaches the set temperature. Both systems are designed to operate safely when used correctly. Will electricity consumption increase? Yes. The longer an AC runs, the more electricity it uses. However, electricity consumption depends on several factors including room insulation, outdoor temperature, AC capacity, temperature setting, number of people in the room, whether the AC is inverter or non-inverter. Setting the temperature between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius usually provides a good balance between comfort and energy efficiency. What problems can occur during continuous operation? Running an AC continuously is not usually the problem. The real problems occur when the system is poorly maintained. For example, dirty air filters reduce airflow. Dirty condenser coils make it harder to reject heat. Low refrigerant due to a leak reduces cooling performance. Blocked drain pipes can cause water leakage. Poor ventilation around the outdoor unit can increase operating pressure. These issues force the AC to work harder and may reduce its lifespan if left unresolved. Tips for safe 24-hour operation. If your AC needs to run all day, follow these professional tips. Clean the air filters every 2 to 4 weeks during heavy use. Keep the outdoor unit free from dust, leaves, and other obstructions. Ensure there is enough open space around the outdoor unit for proper airflow. Schedule regular servicing to inspect the coils, electrical connections, drain system, and refrigerant circuit. If you notice poor cooling, unusual noises, or water leakage, have the system checked promptly instead of continuing to operate it with a fault. Does an inverter AC handle continuous operation better? In many homes, yes, because an inverter compressor can reduce its speed instead of repeatedly starting and stopping. It often maintains a more stable indoor temperature and operates more efficiently under changing cooling loads. This is one reason inverter ACs are popular for homes where the air conditioner is used for many hours each day. Common myths. Let's clear up a few myths. Myth 1. Running an AC for 24 hours will automatically burn the compressor. Reality. A healthy AC is designed for long operating periods. Compressor failure is more commonly linked to problems such as poor maintenance, refrigerant leaks, electrical faults, or overheating, not simply long runtime. Myth 2. You should switch the AC off every hour to let it rest. Reality. There is no technical requirement to turn the AC off every hour. Frequent manual switching can actually reduce comfort without providing any benefit. Conclusion. Yes, a split AC can safely run for 24 hours if it is properly installed, correctly sized, regularly maintained, and operating without faults. The key to long compressor life is good maintenance, clean filters, proper airflow, correct refrigerant charge, and professional servicing, not simply limiting operating hours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.